Whether you live in a van, take a long road trip, or occasionally hike or swim, taking a shower in the car maintains body hygiene, promotes good health and brings great joy. Taking winter weather into account, it is too cold to shower outdoors. There is concern about the cleanliness of public bathrooms, or even safety considerations, and more. Apart from RVs, bathing in the car is almost impossible. But is this really the case? Because the car has limited water storage capacity, I shower with pressurized spray cans to save a significant amount of water. Based on previous experience, 2 liters of water is enough for showering. The foldable tub is folded into an 8-inch diameter carrying bag and hung behind the car seat. When opened, I can quickly complete the assembly in 2 minutes. After unfolding, it becomes a round bucket with a diameter of 85 centimeters. Enough to accommodate an adult comfortably. Even in a narrow car interior, the spring frame of the tub can be deformed and used according to the space. Just by adding a stool inside, you can sit comfortably in the tub and enjoy your shower. To test the feasibility of this method, I drove 100 kilometers away to the Pacific coast and recorded the process of the car shower. First, I spread out the base plate and the tub. Connect the water pipe to the drain hole at the bottom of the tub. Turn the tub over, put the base plate and stool in. Then insert and buckle the 4 support rods to complete the assembly. Next, undress and use the spray can to wet the whole body. After cleaning the body with soap, wash away the foam. Then dry and get dressed. After that, empty the tub and remove the 4 support rods. Prepare the gray water tank to collect residual water. And tilt the tub to drain the content completely. After use, you can wipe the tub or air dry and then put it back in the carrying bag. Tub fit in the compartment above the height of 90 centimeters of cars. It can effectively block water splashes, and it also provides me with safety and privacy. Both the bathtub and the pressurized spray can be stored conveniently after use. Neat and beautiful, and will not occupy the space in the car. It's not impossible to transform the space in the car into a bathroom. I can take a shower safely and comfortably during my travels. If the space in the car is insufficient for Majus tube, install a tent at the car's rear to expand the space inside the vehicle and make van life more comfortable. This is the way I shower in my car. I share this delight with you, and see you next time.